Hi guys, welcome back. It's Ella. I'm actually wearing my apron right now because I had my final cooking class today with my students. We made a chocolate Eskimo cake, which is basically like a chocolate layered custard cake. Amazing. So guys, I have been absolutely busy, really busy this week. My sister came, my boyfriend is still here. I'm planning so many new things. We're working behind the scenes. And I just wanted to give you a quick update what's been going on. But yeah, it's just weeks seem to be like flying by. And this week actually has been very crazy emotionally. I don't know if anybody believes in like stuff like full moon, but it's definitely been affecting me. So I've just been working a lot on myself and trying to figure out what is like that next step for me, what is that next thing. And yeah, I'm very excited. We are changing a few things at AllasYummyFood. So there won't be any new courses launching this year, probably until September, October time. But we have been revamping our cake club. And what I want to do is that a lot of people don't understand what is a cake club, what does it mean, how it works, and things like that. And so I'm going to do a free webinar this Saturday where I'll just explain to you what is cake club, how you can make money online by selling your cakes, how you can sell your cakes different places. It's a little bit all about, like how to get started. So maybe you potentially love just baking. If that's the case, I'll still tell you about Cake Club and all the cakes that we have in there, and we'll have special things in there and special giveaways. And so this is really for anybody who is either interested in baking, loves baking, potentially wants to start a business in cakes, or really already is selling cakes and just needs that extra boost, okay? Because we have been working behind the scenes really a lot, creating a new type of Cake Club membership for you guys, where it's like incredibly easy to understand, very step by step, the whole process on how to start a business, how to get going, so you feel motivated and excited. And of course, lots of cake recipes. We're also going to be giving away my free, most popular strawberry coconut vanilla mousse cake recipe, which has been the top of the top. It was my best performing cake class we've ever had in my entire career. So we're going to give that away for free if you come to the webinar. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave all the details for the webinar. If you want to come, feel free to join us, and I'll explain everything on Saturday. I'm so excited to see you and share everything that's been going on. I've also just attended a 3-day Tony Robbins event. Probably most of you know who Tony Robbins is, but I just feel this like energy and drive and excitement about so many things I want to do, and most importantly, like how much I want to help people, how much I want to inspire people, how much I want to change their lives and also motivate them. Like I started my journey a long time ago, and I didn't really have anybody sort of that I was looking up to that could mentor me, that could guide me. I was just kind of going in blind, and I made tons of mistakes. I've lost so much money. I don't even want to talk about it because it's painful to remember. But yeah, like I've just learned so much from my lessons, and I know that a lot of you might be in this beginning of the journey. In fact, I know 3 people right now that are thinking potentially leaving their full-time job to start their own thing, and it doesn't have to be anything crazy. It is a scary move. So that's why I just want to invite you, share my story, tell you a little bit about what I did, what mistakes I made, so you don't make them, right? And just really inspire you guys and motivate you, and hopefully give you that boost that you might need. Sometimes we just need to hear one phrase, one sentence, one word, watch one seminar or lesson, and we just get it. We want to do it. We are ready. We just got that energy and we can go. And I think I realized after doing this 3-day event with Tony Robbins is that I've kind of lost that that part of me which wants to kind of share, right? Like, because we have different types of personalities, and sometimes we just forget about different stuff where we're driven. There's motivational side, there's love side, there is magician side, and all these sides that we can use to really move forward in everything that we do in our life. So I just really want to help people. I really want to inspire you. So if you want to get a bit of my energy, a bit of this incredible drive that I'm having right now, come to my free webinar this Saturday, and I'll tell you more about how you can get into this state as well. Because at the end of the day, there's so much things about strategy, which is great. It's great to have the strategy, but if you're not in the right state, if you're not in the right mindset, there's nothing you can do, no matter how many strategies you have. How many of you had strategies on, let's say, how to lose the weight? You all know how to do it, right? But we all have the perfect strategy, and in fact, if you go online now, you'll find millions of ways. Within 5 minutes, you can find thousands of ways. You can probably find a coach, you can find a trainer, you can find a diet, you can even find somebody to guide you throughout the whole process. But the point is that why nobody does it, right? So it's the same thing. Everybody can have a strategy, but it's so important to have that state of mind, that energy, right? Because the energy is what's going to drive you forward. And luckily, through my entire life, I've had a huge amount of energy. I'm a very highly energetic person, and I do have my moments when I don't have the energy, but it's rare. And so this was one of those moments. You know, I had to recoup, I had to take time off a little bit this winter, and I didn't really work too much in December. January, it was quite busy because we're working behind the scenes. But overall, I love sharing all this stuff, and hopefully it will help somebody, right? So yeah, hopefully see you this Saturday. And if you have any questions beforehand, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.